Hello, welcome back to my Google Meet platform. Today, I'm going to talk about screen recording extension. Okay, recording your video play a very important role, especially for teachers or for lecturers or for anyone who would like to share their article or document, especially teachers. Okay, if you go online teaching and it so happened that one of your pupils or students were absent on that day. Okay, so what you do is when you record, you can still upload it to where to Facebook or to any other social media like Twitter or to Telegram. Okay, you can share the link after you upload to Facebook or your social media. You can still share the link with your student so that they were able to replay back your video and they consider they didn't uh, lose out anything. Okay, they'll still be able to follow up with your teaching. Okay, the important here is you must know what type of screen recording you would like to use. As for me, you can see here red dots here, that means I'm recording. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the slide. Okay, welcome to my screen recording extension. Some people prefer this type with this logo, but I prefer this type. This one is on your handphone. But let me tell you something. This screen recording that I'm using, it can be used on any platform. Okay, not necessarily on Google Meet platform. On any platform. Let's say you are on Facebook, you can also record. Okay, just say you are on your Google. You 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 on your Google, okay, or you do something on your Google, you can also record. Alright, but for those who sign in using their G Suite, they got the option here. You saw these three dots here. They got their option here for recording. But if you sign in, where it is just now? Okay, never mind. I will. Oh my God. Okay, I come back here again. Okay, if you sign in using your Google account like me, okay, then there won't be any option for recording. So how are you going to record? So you have to use a screen recording or screen recorder extension. Okay, this one. Screen recording extension. That means you have to go to your Google Chrome or Google. Then you have to type in screen recorder userbox. Yes. And then you click on that. Okay, you appear this screen and you click on this one. You don't click on other web page because you will not get the one you want. You can still record, but it's a bit complicated. Okay, mine is very user friendly. Okay, once you click that here, like this so that you can see. Okay, it will appear this one. Since I have already, so that's why it came out this wording. But it just say if I were to add this to my Chrome, I don't have this one. So I just click add. Okay, since I prefer this one, screen recorder. And it's very user friendly. It's easy to use. Okay, you just add If you have already, you don't want this one, you just remove it. It's so simple. Alright. This is the logo for screen recorder. This is how it looks like. Okay, now mine is red here because I click here to do the recording. Okay. If I didn't do recording, I'm on this Google Meet platform. It appear like this, like the logo like this. Okay, it appear like this. It looks like this. Okay, that's the end for my tutorial. I hope you can understand and I hope my tutorial benefits you. Okay, if you like my video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and do free to drop your comments if you would like to ask. Alright, and this recording, I just want to let you know that before pandemic, okay, I can see so many schools like to have extra class. Even at night also they have extra class when for examination student, especially before the SPM or PMR or UPSR. They carry out extra class at night from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. But right now with this Google Meet platform, there's you cannot go to school. Some of furthermore under MCO. So what you do, you can still carry out extra class in this manner, in this form. Okay, you already prepare your article in PowerPoint. Okay, then you add your student to join you online, and you can still carry out your extra class. There's no need for you to be in school between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, you can even set the day you want to with your student. So that's one of the benefits of this recording on Google Meet platform. So I hope you and I hope you like my video and I hope you can understand what I'm trying to uh, convey to you through my tutorial. Okay, stay safe and stay at home. If you love yourself, you take good care of your health. Okay, till we meet again in another tutorial that is Cloud Convert and Movie Maker. I will talk about this some other day. Okay. Okay. What are the benefits of this? Okay. Alright, right now I'm coming to an end to my tutorial. So I will end my recording. After that, I will upload it to YouTube. If you miss my tutorial, you can still go to my YouTube. Okay, the title will be Screen Recording Extension. Okay, see you again soon. All the best.